In this week's Inflight 2 Minutes, Spirit Airlines has become the first and only ultra-low-cost carrier in the Americas to offer connectivity following an agreement with Thales to install FlytLIVE. Spirit Airlines president has commented, "By summer 2019, every plane in our fleet should be fully equipped with Thales' state-of-the-art connectivity service to keep our guests connected in the skies." She continued, "It's just one of the many investments we've made and will continue to make for our guests." SAS has launched a new high-speed Wi-Fi service on its short and medium-haul routes between Scandinavia and Europe. SAS Wi-Fi, based on the system supplied by Viasat, has already been installed in 28 aircraft, and by September around 40 aircraft will have the new high-speed Wi-Fi installed. SAS expects the vast majority of its fleet to be Wi-Fi enabled by the first quarter of 2020. Qantas Airlines is to progressively introduce new entertainment partner offers from June 2018, including in-flight meditation. The airline's first meditation video series has been specially designed to bring a sense of calm and help customers unwind in the air. The 10-minute guided meditation is set to aerial footage of some of the most beautiful landscapes around Australia. The European business aviation community are heading to Geneva next week for EBACE 2018. HMG Aerospace, the publisher of Inflight, will be there exhibiting for the first time and throughout the show. Visit us at booth L97 to pick up your free copy of the May-June issue of Inflight and learn more about our partner title Regional Gateway. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website for all the latest announcements from the show. That's all for this week. For more news and information, subscribe and follow us on social media.